Hey there! Craving lasagna but want a healthier twist? Today I'll show you how to make an incredible eggplant lasagna that's so good you won't even miss the pasta. It's cheesy, saucy, and absolutely delicious. Let's transform these simple ingredients into something amazing. Alright friends, let's get started by preheating our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 200 degrees Celsius for my international cooking buddies. While it's heating up, we'll slice our eggplants into nice, even pieces about a 1/4 inch thick. You want them uniform so they'll cook evenly. Time to get these beautiful eggplant slices nice and roasted. Spread them out on your baking sheet. Don't overcrowd them. Give them some breathing room. We'll let them roast for about 30 minutes, but here's the key. Flip them halfway through. You'll know they're ready when they're getting that gorgeous golden color. Also, if you want to upgrade your toaster oven, I'll leave mine, which I'm very happy with, in the video description. Now comes the fun part. Let's make our cheese mixture. In a large bowl, we're combining our ricotta, some of that mozzarella, 1 egg, minced garlic. I love using fresh garlic here, dried oregano, and our chopped spinach. Mix it all together until it's nice and creamy. This is going to be the heart of our lasagna. Let's start building our lasagna masterpiece. Grab your favorite baking dish and spread a nice layer of marinara sauce on the bottom. This prevents sticking and adds amazing flavor. Then, lay down your first layer of those beautiful roasted eggplant slices. Now we're going to spread half of our amazing cheese mixture over those eggplant slices. Make sure to distribute it evenly. We want every bite to be perfect. Sprinkle half of your remaining mozzarella and Parmesan on top. This is where the magic happens, folks. Time for round 2. Let's repeat those layers. More eggplant, the rest of our cheese mixture, and finish with that final layer of marinara sauce and our remaining cheeses. This layering is what makes lasagna so special. Each layer builds more and more flavor. Here's where patience comes in handy. Cover your dish with foil and pop it in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to let it bake for about 30 minutes. The foil keeps all that moisture in, helping everything cook perfectly. After those 30 minutes, we're going to remove that foil and let it bake for another 10 to 15 minutes. Watch for that cheese to get all bubbly and slightly golden on top. That's when you know it's perfect. Last but definitely not least, resist the temptation to dig right in. Let your lasagna rest for 10 to 15 minutes. I know it's hard, but trust me, this helps everything set up nicely and makes it much easier to serve. Plus, it'll still be plenty hot when you cut into it.